Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So if you're thinking about doing YouTube, I think a lot of times you've heard this before where YouTube is a job. Now, I believe that YouTube is not a job, and I did do a video talking about this before. And so today I want to elaborate on that a little bit more and talk about how YouTube is the worst job that you could actually have. And the reason I say that is really simple. Most people have a job. And so whenever you go to your job, you work a set amount of hours, and then you trade in those hours for money, meaning you're going to get paid for the time that you actually spend at that job. And if the business decided one day to not pay you for your work, then you're probably not going to be at that job very long. But with YouTube, that is simply not the case. You can spend absolutely hundreds or thousands of hours working on your channel, growing your community, and there's absolutely no guarantees that you're going to get paid or that you're going to get paid at a consistent amount. That is the big difference. And so YouTube is a horrible job if you're thinking about it that way, because you are practically working for free. Now, as a business, that's where things change, because that's what I feel YouTube really is. It is a business. And so with most businesses, you're probably not going to make money at the beginning or very little. And then over time, as you learn how to grow this business, learn how to do the proper things when it comes to marketing, sales, building up your team, then that's when it can become something that is much, much greater than any job you ever had, because within a business, you can actually grow that and you have more control over how much you get paid over time.
For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool used at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.
And so those are my thoughts on that. YouTube is not a job, and it's probably the worst job you're going to have. But on the flip side, it could be the best business you've ever had, and it would simply blow away any job that you had. And so if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you want to see my original video on how YouTube is not a job, I will also leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe.
Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.
Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.